exoplanet. An exoplanet is any planet beyond our solar system, and most orbit other stars, but the ones that don't orbit stars are called rogue planets, and they orbit the galactic center and are untethered to any star. And most of the exoplanets discovered so far are in a relatively small region of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and small is called like 5.88 trillion miles of light and kilometers. And these planets are found by interesting ways that the scientists have discovered. There's 5 ways. Okay, and this is one. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
This is one of the closest planets we have here that is outside of our solar system, and it's called Proxima Centauri B, and it's like it's considered that it's like potential like similar to Earth. That is called
similar to Earth on
yeah.
size, on the atmosphere.
The size, because they don't have it doesn't have like water like these dots. They don't know what it is, but they are gonna discover like they're in the process, but they don't know.
Okay.
But in the size, and because it's a rocky planet, it's similar to Earth. Okay, how do we find exoplanets? There's 5 methods scientists commonly use to discover exoplanets. These are the 2 main ones. The first one is called radical velocity. Then that's when it's watching for wobble. What does it mean? Watching for wobble, it means when like the gravitational force of a planet makes like that star moves in space, but like in really like it's not noticeable. Like you can see like that. Like of course it doesn't happen like really fast, but like this is like ¿cómo se dice cámara rápida?
Fast forward.
Fast forward.
Like really fast forward, but it happens. It's a noticeable movement. And thanks for the wobble, the scientists know that how many planets does the star orbit, and like the sizes and yeah. And the second one is a transit that it's searching for shadows. This is when the star and the planet align, like when the solar eclipse. They align and looking for the shadow of the planet. They know like, oh, this star has 1 planet, 2 planets, and yeah, they discover like that. And the other 3 that they're not that common is direct imaging, and that's when they take pictures and they how do you say? They like slow the brightness of the star, like they
dim the light?
Yeah, and like they can find planets like that. Okay. And they can focus on the planets more like that. These 2, they're really difficult. I had like to investigate more because I didn't understand really. Astronometry is minuscule movement. This is like the first one of radical velocity, but it's like like a tiny movement. And the scientists only discovered them because they compare like the distance to other stars, and they compare like, okay, that they change like 5 kilometers. Okay, so, and I don't know how, like, they discovered